The atmosphere was overwhelmingly optimistic on Friday during the Independent Business Association of Wisconsin's annual Manufacturing Summit.
Manufacturing drives everything in Wisconsin. Wisconsin is a huge manufacturing state, and it's an important key component. It drives everything, right? So whether you're making things, those employees that are employed by people in manufacturing, they buy things, so it's literally a trickle-down effect that reaches everybody.
The guest of honor was Governor Scott Walker, who was awarded IBAW's Bart Adams Award for creating the conditions that have added 53,000 manufacturing jobs to Wisconsin's economy since taking office.
You look at what we did to lower the overall tax burden. Certainly property income taxes are down. Taxes are down on manufacturers and farmers. That's one of the biggest stark contrasts, I think, between me and Tony Evers, for example, is he said he's open to raising property taxes. He's open to raising taxes on people like farmers. He said he's open to raising the gas tax by as much as $1 a gallon. I think that would be a giant step backwards. That would cost us jobs. Wisconsin really is working, and we don't want to go backwards.
With Wisconsin's tax future being uncertain at the moment, the summit focused on current and growing challenges to manufacturing in the state.
One of the things that we're still working on is the workforce issue, right? It's still hard for the increase in business to catch up and get those people, good quality people involved. So that's been an issue.
Yeah, for us it's really three big target areas to grow the workforce. When you've got more people working than ever before, we need to keep growing. And so it's more of an investment into traditional education and training. It's why we made record investments in our schools, but also in our technical colleges and our dual enrollment programs, things like that. Secondly, it's about going beyond that. It's breaking down barriers. So whether it's welfare reform or programs we offer in the correctional system, to really get our people who are about to be at the end of their sentence the kind of training they need to be productive in society again. And the third big group is recruitment. We're actually recruiting talent from outside the state to come here, particularly from veterans. That's one of the new exciting things we're doing. We're going to 16 different military bases to bring veterans into the state of Wisconsin to work.
IBAW hosted a group of students from Milwaukee Lutheran High School's Free Market Academy, including Clay Johnson, a senior who plans to attend UW-Platteville next year for engineering and sticking around afterwards.
Some doing engineering, mechanical, civil, and Wisconsin has all these companies coming in that should be offering a lot of jobs to me in the future.
The Wisconsin economy is very strong. We have a good infrastructure as far as getting our deficit reduced down to nothing, and that has really helped, I think, put Wisconsin in a good position to attract manufacturing and help increase expansion.
And IBAW plans to be there every step of the way. For the McIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmolsky.